Hey geocachers, I know what you're thinking. What's this? Right here at the bottom of the screen. That's right. If you haven't seen my last video, I've joined the Twitterverse. So follow these tag things to follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Out doing geocache maintenance today with Ray the Geodog. You can see the geocache that we're after in this video here. It hasn't been found since, you hear all those geese? Since August of, hasn't been found since August of 2017. So we'll take a look, see if we can figure out if it's still good. I had a DNF, but that was on the first stage, and I made sure I already checked the first stage, and the first stage is good. Those geese are loud. There's those geese we heard. They're right there. Now they're acting fine, all peaceful. Well, there's some more over there too. If you've already seen the other video, you know this geocache includes a lot of walking. I think actually in the original video we biked to the locations, but see, this trail is going on forever. These are great inventions right here. I think more places need things like this, and places that have these little doggy stations need more of them. If you guys saw our video that was kind of a response to the Stranger Things parody, I think I told you guys that we are moving soon, and I'm in my last semester of college, and hopefully at least after I finish moving and getting school over with, I'll be able to get a couple more geocaching videos done, because right now I've got to deal with work and school. But after that, hopefully it's just work and I'll have free time to do some geocaching. Alright, I found the geocache, and it looks like either someone got lazy, because here's that piece of wood right there, and didn't want to unlock it, or maybe, well, I'm guessing someone pulled on it and it broke, but yeah. Alright, it is fixed. Putting it back down here where it belongs. Shove it in the ground. Alright, I checked 2 of the checkpoints already, and that was the final cache, and now I got 1 more checkpoint to look at. What's over there? Is that good grass? And here is the location of one of the last checkpoints. See if it's still there. Yeah, you can see the note, the sheet that has the coordinates down there. Well, that's it for this video. I hope I will be making more soon. Until next time, see you later. Thanks for watching. Check out our Facebook page. The link is in the description. Be sure to like that thing. We got tons of other videos, so click on one of our other videos to watch it. And be sure to subscribe.